Today, I'm going to show you how to draw a beautiful rainbow with fluffy clouds. This is a fun and easy drawing. So, let's get started. First, we're going to draw the clouds. Using your pencil, lightly sketch 2 or 3 clouds at the bottom of your paper. To make them look fluffy, draw a series of curved lines that connect in a bumpy, cloud-like shape. Don't worry about making them perfect. Clouds come in all shapes and sizes. Next, we will draw a heart here. Now, let's draw the rainbow. Rainbows have 7 colors, so we need to draw 7 arcs. Start just above the clouds and draw a large arc that spans across your paper. Then, draw 6 more arcs inside it, each slightly smaller than the last. If you need to, you can use a ruler to help make the arcs even. Red color. Now for the fun part, coloring. Orange color. Yellow color. Light green color. Purple color. Color. Light blue color. There you have it, a beautiful rainbow and fluffy clouds drawing. I hope you enjoyed drawing your rainbow and clouds. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time.